What's going on, Mercado Nation? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And let me tell you, before we get started, man, it is brutal out here in Massachusetts. 2 degrees, freezing cold. But that ain't stopping us, guys. You've seen the title. We have another DoorDash video. We are doing a 4-hour shift from, let's say, it's 10:20 now. I'm recording my video. We'll start at 10:30. 10:30 to 2:30, we're going hard, man. Hopefully we can hit $100 today. I doubt it, but I hope we can hit $100, man. Let's see how busy the app is right now. You know, it's Saturday, and I feel like there's gonna be a lot of orders, man. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications, because in this video, we're gonna talk about how it went this week, our first week on DoorDash, how much money we made, the pros and cons, everything I've learned, you know, whatever. I'm gonna tell you guys everything I've learned this week and if I think DoorDash is worth it or not. So like again, I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get straight into it, man. We're gonna get on the app and see if we can get our first order. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna talk about one of the cons because we're going through it right now. We are waiting for orders to pop up on the app. Like, what is going on? I'm telling you, if there's one con that really sucks about DoorDash, it is waiting around for orders. I don't know what everyone else's experience is like, but you are waiting sometimes for a long time for an order. So my advice to you guys is park. Right now I'm driving because I'm trying to go to another area. You gotta know your hotspot. So I'm actually gonna go to a hotspot. I'm not gonna sit around and then I'm gonna park up at a hotspot. So I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so we're right here at Walmart pickup. I'm in lane number 4. We grabbed the Walmart order just because it was like $8 for like 3 miles. So I'm doing that. That's like $2 a mile and some change. The house is like 5 to 6 minutes around from here. So I'm just waiting for them to bring out the groceries that whoever ordered, loaded up in my car. They loaded up for you, I guess. So I'm just sitting in the car waiting for the order. So first order, not bad. It took a while. I had to go home and sit tight for a bit because from 11 to 12, there was just no orders on DoorDash, man. And that's one of the huge cons is you could be driving around or sitting around for a while waiting on orders. But we got our first order. When it comes out, guy's coming out actually now. He's gonna load it up in my car, in my truck, and we'll head out and deliver these groceries. Hey guys, as you can see, delivery complete. It was an $8.50. $8.50 for 3 miles, Walmart. It was ready when I went. I waited a couple minutes for them to bring it out. I dropped it off. The groceries, it wasn't much bags. I dropped it off, left it on the steps. That's what the customer asked for. And we're on to our next order, guys. I'm excited. I'll see you soon. All right, guys, we just got another order. Joy Bowl. It's like a Asian or Vietnamese little sushi bar, whatever I think it is. Right here, literally 1 minute. It's right here. As soon as I take a left at this light, it's right there. I had to grab it. $6.75 going 3 miles. Another $2 a mile order. So far, so good. After noontime, it seems like it's better than the morning. So let's go pick this up and deliver it, guys. I'll see you shortly when I grab the food. Let's go. All right, y'all. The bag is secured. Heading to the truck. We're about to go deliver this. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys around, man. I'll let you know when I deliver this. Peace. All right, guys, so we delivered that food. Another fast drop off. And now we're going to wait on the app for another one. So, man, stay tuned, guys. So far, it's been good for lunch. So I hope you guys are enjoying. Guys, we picked up another order. It's $13.50 going 8 miles. The location's about 3 minutes away. I think that this drive is going to be 10 to 12 minutes, but I'm fine with that for $13.50. I'm down for that. This is a good order. $13.50 going 8 miles. It's about a mile to the location, about 7 to the customer. So we'll make that delivery and we'll see you guys very shortly when we pick up the food. Let's go. I just want to let y'all know another bag secured with a drink. 2 green curries and an unsweetened tea, baby. Let's go. Let's go deliver this $13.50 order, baby. Let's go. Bag delivered. You guys see it right there. $15.25, man. It was a $13 order. I got a $15.25 from that. I'm so pumped, guys. Man, we're at 30 bucks so far in the hour that I've been out. Little over an hour. $30. Let's get back on the app and let's secure some more bags. Let's go, Mercado Nation. I hope you guys are enjoying. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I got some goodies at the end of the video. We're going to talk about my first week in DoorDash, pros and cons, what you guys should be doing, what you guys shouldn't be doing. I'm a rookie, but man, I've been learning a lot so far this week, man. So let's go get another bag, man. See you guys soon. All right, guys, you see it. We accepted an order for Little Caesars, $5.25.
In 500 feet, turn left at Caldwell Street.
That's awkward. 1 mile. Let's pick it up right now, guys. Order secured. Let's go deliver it. Pizza secured. Little Caesars. Let's do it. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's go. Let's go make money. All right. So we got that one delivered. That's all set. $5.25. It went about a mile away. It was like a minute from the place. Literally, they could have picked it up. But I came in and delivered it. Let's go and pick up another order, man. We're going to go till about 4 o'clock, so we're going to dash for 4 hours. See how much we make. Stay tuned. And another one. And another one. Let's go. Getting at Popeyes right now, man. It's freaking busy. It's mad unorganized. Oh, my God. Let's talk about it real quick before we go grab another order. Yo, Popeyes, I don't know what it is, but that took forever. $5.40 order. But it took like 20 minutes, man. 10 minutes inside the restaurant, 15 minutes inside a restaurant, and location was 4 minutes. Man, that was a bad order. I'm not going back there. Let's go find another one, though. Enough complaining, Mark. $9.25. You guys seen it, man. We're going to go park up, and we going to go inside and get this food, man. Frontera Grill, Mexican food, baby. $9.25 for 5 miles, I think it was. Let's go do this. All right, guys, another bag secured. Frontera Grill, there's another bag right there. I'm so hyped. Let's do this. $9.25. We're going, I believe, 5 or 6 miles up the road. It says 9 minutes destination. I'll see you guys there, and let's see if they gave us a hidden tip. Peace out, y'all. All right, guys, so another hidden tip. You guys seen it. $11.50 there. That was a $9.25 order. Turned out to be $11.50, man. I just delivered to some beautiful houses back here in Wilbraham, Massachusetts. Nice tip. Thank you to that customer that appreciates us delivering food in a pandemic, man. You'd be surprised, guys. Some people don't tip nothing. Zero tip. Zero. They don't pay you anything to deliver the food. So keep an eye out for those orders. You never know if it's zero. I usually stay away from the $3 orders. $2.75, $3, $4, no tip most of the time, just by experience. Let's go pick up another order. I'm only dashing for another hour. Let's get going. You seen it, guys. $8.25. It'll probably be our last order. So let's make it count. Hopefully we got a hidden tip, guys. Let's go pick up this food at Friendly's and deliver it. Let's go. I'll see y'all soon. All right, guys. Bag secured. Like I said, it's probably going to be one of our last orders. It's Friendly's. I think it's some ice cream. So, yeah, man. I had to shut my my heated seats off because I don't want that ice cream to melt. So, let's go and deliver this ice cream. I think I'm heading home after this. I don't think I could hit another order before 4. So, yeah. Let's get going. Guys, let's talk about it, man. Did you guys just see the summary there of what that order paid out? I believe we accepted it for $8.25. It ended up being, you seen it, you guys seen it, $10 tip. $12.25 to go, not far at all. I'm all done. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm a little early. I got like 15 minutes, but I don't think I can do anything in 15 minutes. So let's head home and eat some wings, man. We'll talk about it and finish off the video at home. I'll let you guys know how my week went, how much I made, the breakdown as a part-time dasher. You know, I got a full-time job, but this is my part-time. Not really part-time, but I do this for fun and to make some money, help me pay off some debt. But we'll go home and talk about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notification. All right, guys, now that we are back home, we can talk about it, guys. You've seen the kind of day it was today. I ended up making $65 and some change for the day. And it was a decent day. It wasn't bad. There was some sitting around. But after about 2:30, the orders were coming in pretty nice. So let's talk about the week overall, guys. This is my first full week on DoorDash as a part-time DoorDasher. I must say, I do enjoy it. Overall, I think it's worth it. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. There's not many pros, there's not many cons. I'm just going to run you through the pros and cons from my experience week 1. So let's start with the pros, right? The good things. The good thing about it, guys, is that you can make fast money very quick, right? It's not a lot of money, but if you need fast money, right? If you need to pump gas, you need to get some gas for your car, and you're one of those people that are potentially struggling each month, living paycheck to paycheck, and you want a couple extra dollars, this will do it. DoorDash will provide that for you. All you got to do is sign up with DoorDash. Pretty easy, guys. And yeah, you can make fast money, right? That's one of the biggest pros that I'm sure a lot of people have, is fast money and it's easy. Pro number 2, another good thing about it is that the app that you use, DoorDash app for the drivers, is user friendly. It's so good for anyone. It doesn't matter if you're cell phone handy or computer handy or tech handy. It's good for anyone. Any beginner can use the app. It's super easy. You read the instructions, you hit directions to get to the customers and to the location. It shows you, what time you got to pick it up by, what time you have to deliver by. It shows you how much you're going to be making. The only thing you don't know is how much the tip is, right? You never know how much these people are going to tip you. But another pro is the app. The app is super easy to use. I promise you guys, I'm not lying. All right. That's another pro that I have, right? You can make quick money and the app is very easy to use. So put those two together and you can make easy money all day long, guys, if you want. If you want to be out there all day, you could. That's another thing. You can literally dash whenever you want, right? You can dash whenever you want. At first, you may not be able to, but as you pick up the orders and your customer ratings go up and all that, you'll be able to dash whenever, guys. So you can literally be making all day long if you want. Be making money all day long if you want. You know what I mean? So that's another pro, is that you can dash literally whenever you want once you get to that certain point. But as a beginner, you got to just put in the work. Just deliver, and make sure you're on time. If there's any hiccups or any problems at the restaurant, waiting time, just call the customer, let them know, guys. That's very important, is communication with the customer. Let's get into some of the cons, right? One of my biggest cons I have for DoorDash is the waiting time. Sometimes you can be waiting 30 minutes, an hour driving around or sitting at a parking lot waiting for an order. And that is my biggest flaw and con about DoorDash. I don't know how your area is, or you DoorDashers out there, what your area is like. But my area, man, even sometimes where it says it's busy in red, no orders are showing up, meaning there could be a high demand of dashers versus the orders, right? So that is a huge con for me. I hate waiting around. For orders, guys, it's not fun at all. Time is money. That goes into my second con, right? And that's knowing what restaurants to go to and not to go to. Waiting time at the restaurants is another con. Oh my God. Some of these restaurants, guys, you'll notice after going to them, after a while, you don't want to pick up orders at these locations. They're unorganized, terrible communication. The pickup section is a mess. It just sucks picking up food there. You'll go there and it could be fast food. Like today I went to Popeyes. Oh my God. No one inside. But it took them 15 minutes to give me a small order of chicken. It's just some things you want to deal with, some things you don't. I personally will never deliver to Popeyes again for that experience I had. I know every experience is going to be different, but I don't want to deliver. I don't want to pick up from these restaurants that their service isn't fast. Time is money. I want to be in and out. Sometimes I don't mind waiting 3 to 5 minutes. After 10, 20 minutes, it's ridiculous. I do not want to be waiting, and I'm sure the people buying and ordering food don't want to wait 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes for their fast food. It's supposed to be fast. So Popeyes in my area, step it up. All right? That's another con. I'm trying to think of another con, but those are pretty much the really top hitters, is waiting around for orders and waiting around for the food when you get to these places, right? it sucks. No one wants to wait around. And honestly, those are my pros. Those are my cons. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, I want to let you know I made 206. Here you have it right here. 206.55 for the week as a part-time dasher. That's fine for me. Let's break those numbers down. My dash time was about 14 hours, plus my active was about 21. Let's round that up to 22. Right? Let's round that up to 22. So divide that by the 2 to get the average. 11. Let's take how much we made. 206.55 divided by 11. Let's say we made about 18.77 an hour part-time. A couple hours a day. Today I dashed for 4 hours. And yesterday I dashed for 4 hours. But you can see when I dashed for 4 hours, I made 73 and I made 65, which is really good. Grand total for the week, 206.55. I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty sure some of you guys do a lot more. But again, part-time, only a couple hours a day. And when I go start a new job and I work days, I'd probably only be dashing once a month, heavy, and maybe sporadically whenever I'm out with the fam and I want to head back home and pick up an order in the area. If there's something, do that. If not, no big deal. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. But I can't leave without saying, stay safe, but keep getting money. Keep dashing, man. Let's go. Peace out, y'all.